Good afternoon and happy Tuesday, and sorry about my messy hair. And as you can see, I just got out of the shower, and Kealin and I are getting ready to do a one of those Japanese Poppin cooking meals, which originally I was going to do that as my intro, but I already made a channel video, so look into that if you haven't done so. So here is what we're doing, and by the way, this is not sponsored, and Kealin's with us, and got our water set up.
So, since it's all in Japanese, we're going to go by the pictures. So right now, this blue, I'm going to put this into this number 1 here thing right there. And then I'm going to put some water in this first, and then going to put this in. So, get this out of here. And I need a lot. Okay. Yes. So it makes this white stuff that almost looks like, it looks like the rice that goes on top of the salmon and stuff. So we're going to put a lot of water in. I'm just going to eyeball it right now. It smells super sugary. Okay, now I gotta...
There's this texture, and it's supposed to look like sushi rice.
Yes.
And oh my gosh, wish you guys can smell it, and it smells like bubble gum.
Yeah.
Here's what the sushi ball looks like. And the yellow tail didn't quite work, so we're skipping a step and moving on to the salmon.
Yes. So I think that's going pretty well.
So right now Kealin is adding the green package. Now Kealin is adding the orange stuff.
And then we're gonna put this, scoop it up.
As you can see, Kealin just assembled the sushi, and we're just waiting on the soy sauce.